have a problem. Remember when I did the video with this center tomato plant here, which is 13 foot tall? Had a big windstorm blew through here and about knocked this thing over. Well, it compromised the integrity of the cage, and I had to tie it up and, you know, support it and all that. Well, we had a pretty good rainstorm the other day, and with that windstorm, you know, the cage was compromised, and with the size of this tomato plant and all the fruit on it, the weight of it, and just the fact that the cage was, the integrity of it was compromised, well, it decided to collapse on me. So this is what we got. This cage is all mangled up, but the pot is still in place. Plant is still growing. Just got a little lean to it. Other than that, it's been a successful summer. It's coming to an end. All the plants are doing well. Everything's coming around. Done great. Happy with the results. And it's about time to start kicking things indoors. So I'm gonna pick one tomato for you. What's that look like? Looks like a heart. I'll leave you with that. Thank you guys, all my subscribers and all that. I really appreciate your support. It means a great deal to me. With that note, have a great day.